next 5 evenings, I'm going to show you how to start up a sourdough starter. So every evening at 8:30 p.m. London time, we're going to meet here on Instagram and we're going to build our sourdough starter together. So the things you need for a sourdough starter is a clear container, so it's easier to see what's happening in your sourdough starter. And into your container, you're going to add 30 grams of flour. I'm going to use rye flour. You can use strong flour, plain flour, or wholemeal flour. So pick whatever flour you have at home and add 30 grams of your flour into your container. And then on top of that, you're going to add 30 grams of water. There we go. So equal amounts of flour and water goes into your container. You're going to stir it together until it's all incorporated. And then we're just going to leave it for 24 hours until tomorrow evening. We're going to come back tomorrow evening and we're going to continue on our sourdough starter building. There we go. So it should just look like this. Right. We're not adding anything into this, just flour and water. Put a lid on top like so. So nothing like grapes or raisins or apples goes in. It's just some flour and water, and we're just cultivating the natural yeast in your flour. And eventually when we start making our sourdough bread, that's what's going to rise up your loaves. So it's pretty straightforward for now. So equal amounts of flour and tap water into your container, cover it after you mix it together and leave it for 24 hours. So I'll see you again in 24 hours and we'll continue our sourdough starter. Bye!